Now this is going to be curry chicken. Okay, so these are the ingredients for the curry chicken. We have the black pepper, we have the pimento, we have the chicken season, we have the seasoning salt, we have the garlic pepper, we have the adobo, we have the Maggi, we have the Larry, and you know the curry. Can't do it without the curry. The curry make it tasty. Okay, these are the rest of seasoning. We have the bell pepper, we have the thyme, we have the onion, and the scallion. Those are the rest of seasoning that go with the curry chicken. Now I'm going to add the curry and I'm going to mix it up. Now this is the finishing touch. Now I'm going to cook it. After it cooks, then you will see everything. Okay? When I'm cooking curry chicken, and when anybody cooking curry chicken, always curry chicken supposed to cut up. You can't use curry chicken if it's big. That's not curry chicken. That's chicken curry. Curry chicken have to be small. Okay? All right. I add a piece of butter in it. So now I'm going to wait for it to cook down. Now the curry chicken is finished, ready to eat. I'm going to eat my food with rice and peas, curry chicken. Bye.
Just subscribe to me, double tap that button, like that post, giving out game, you should take notes. Jody 43, put that in quotes. Jody 43, put that in quotes.